Hi there. Would you like to keep up to date with real-time Jira information direct to your Google Chat Spaces? If so, Google Chat for Jira by MoveWorkForward may just be the app for you. The setup couldn't be much easier. Install the app and go to the configuration to create a new notification. Specify what events you want to be notified about. Add any additional filters, such as which projects to receive notifications for, or narrow it down based on issue type, priorities, or even labels. You can also decide how you want the notification card to be displayed. If you just want to receive notifications about the actions occurring without all the details, that's possible. By using threads, you can bundle all the notifications associated with an issue together rather than receiving a wall of notifications, as we see here. Then specify where you want to receive the notifications. Grab your Google Spaces webhook, pop it in, provide a suitable name, and you are good to go. And just like that, you're now able to keep on top of all your Jira changes directly from Google Spaces. Try it for free from the Atlassian Marketplace and see how it can help you move work forward.